Hello my dear friends, in this video I am going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi in your Windows 11 computer. There are few methods available for this one. I will show you one by one. First you need to, in the taskbar you can see there is Wi-Fi, battery and sound icons. Just tap on it and you will be able to find your Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on it and you can select the Wi-Fi from here. You can turn it off and turn it on from here also. And if you need to connect new Wi-Fi, just turn on Wi-Fi, then you will be able to find. I'm going to disconnect this one right now and you can tap on connect. This has already added the password, so it will not ask password again. If you are first time connect with Wi-Fi, it will be asked the Wi-Fi password. You have to add that password, then after tap on connect, then you will be able to find this kind of connected message. You can do the same thing using setting also. To do that, tap on the start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to network and internet and go to Wi-Fi in the right side menu. In here you can see your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap on it and you can find the information of that Wi-Fi network. Go back and you can tap on show available networks, and in this area there are two Wi-Fi connection. You can tap on other Wi-Fi connection. If you need to change with the Wi-Fi, just tap on connect and you can see it asks the password. You can simply add the password and tap on next, then it will be connect. So last method is, go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on control panel icon. In here make sure to view by set as the large icons, then after go to network and sharing center, tap on set up a new connection or network, choose manually connect to wireless network, the third option, tap on next. You can enter your network name, as an example this test network, and you can choose the security. If you need to open that one, choose this one, and if you need to security, you can use other one and add the security key like this. So then after you can tap on next, then it will be create a manual network setup. So yeah, these are the three methods you can use to connect your Windows 11 computer into Wi-Fi. If you see any kind of issue related to Wi-Fi, right click on the start menu, go to device manager. In here double tap on network adapters. You will be able to find your Wi-Fi related adapter. In my case it is this one. Right click on that one, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is not worked, you can use other methods also. You can disable, uninstall, kind of thing you can try. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.